ready? I'm hoping so. So this is Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, and in today's video we're going to be doing a bit of stitch resist on a cushion cover. Hopefully it'll work out well so I can stick it with the rest of my cushions in the lounge. All right then, let's get into it.
How beautiful are these? Love them.
So hopefully you had fun watching my Shibori stitch resist technique on cushion covers and that you learned something new. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe or make a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So it's twice a week. See you soon. Bye.